Hello students, welcome to In 5 Minutes. We will start with University question paper solution for May 15 paper of Fourier series topic. I'll be solving computer branch paper. So the first question is question number 2b. Where function is given f of x is pi minus x divided by 2, 0x 2 pi. So that is x is greater than 0, less than 2 pi. We need to find Fourier series for this. Let's start with solution. So I define a series first. So I can say f of x is equal to a0 summation 1 to infinity an cos nx plus summation 1 to infinity bn sin nx. Let's find a0. a0 starts with 1 upon 2 pi 0 to 2 pi f of x dx, which we can write as 1 divided 2 pi 0 to 2 pi f of x is pi minus x divided by 2 dx, which comes to be 1 upon 4 pi. Integration of pi minus x will be pi x minus x square by 2. The limits are 0 to 2 pi. Finally it comes to be 1 upon 4 pi. Put 2 pi here, so that becomes 2 pi square minus 4 pi square by 2 minus 1 upon 4 pi. This comes to be 4. So this comes to be 0. Now an comes as 1 upon pi 0 to 2 pi f of x into cos nx dx. So we can write an as 1 upon pi 0 to 2 pi f of x is pi minus x divided by 2 into cos nx dx. So let's write 1 upon 2 pi. Let's integrate it. So we can write pi minus x integration of cos is sin nx divided by n minus differentiation of this comes to be minus 1, and again integration of this comes as minus cos nx divided by n square, where range is 0 to 2 pi. So we can write here 1 upon 2 pi integration. Let's substitute 2 pi, so sin n 2 pi is 0. So this becomes as minus 1 upon n square. This comes as cos 2n pi. Let's substitute lower limit. Sin 0 comes to be 0 minus cos 0 is 1. So this becomes 1 upon n square. So finally we can write as 1 upon 2 pi. This comes as minus 1 upon n square. Cos 2n pi is 1. This thus becomes plus 1 upon n square, and this also comes to be 0. Let's find bn now. So bn comes as 1 upon pi 0 to 2 pi f of x into sin nx dx. So I can write 1 upon pi 0 to 2 pi f of x is pi minus x divided by 2 integration of sin nx dx. We can write as 1 upon 2 pi. Let's integrate it. So pi minus x integration of sin is minus cos nx divided by n minus differentiation of pi minus x is minus 1, and integration of this as minus sin nx divided by n square, where limits are 0 to 2 pi. So we can write this as 1 upon 2 pi bn as, so when you substitute here, pi minus 2 pi comes as minus pi, and this comes to be cos of 2n pi, that is 1, so that becomes 1 by n. Further this comes to be 0. Further, when we substitute 0, pi minus 0 is pi, cos 0 is 1, so this is minus 1 by n. This becomes to be minus 0. This becomes 1 upon 2 pi. This comes to be pi by n. Minus and minus becomes plus pi by n. So this comes to be 2 pi by n multiplies to 1 upon 2 pi, which is equal to 1 upon n. So now therefore I can say f of x only bn value as exist. I write directly n equal to 1 to infinity bn multiplied to sin nx. So therefore I can write summation n equal to 1 to infinity 1 upon n sin nx, and when we expand the series I get first to be, when I substitute, sin x plus 1 by 2 sin 2x plus 1 by 3 sin 3x and further. So this comes to be f of x. The sum gets completes.